In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually earn money thanks to Lego. Hey, hello, my name is Ian Castillo and welcome to my channel. If this is the very first time you're in my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually start earning money thanks to Lego, and this is thanks to the Lego affiliate program. Nowadays, more than 80% of the companies are willing to pay us regular people just to promote their products and services in exchange for a commission. And one of these companies is definitely Lego. The reason why I'm really passionate about affiliate marketing, it's because, first of all, it's what I consider the easiest business model that you can start. And I can tell you because when I got started, I have not one, but two full-time jobs that I was able to replace and I was able to pay all my debts. And the other thing is that at the beginning, as any other business, it can be challenging, but I'm going to show you everything step by step here so you can have a better idea of how this actually works. And after you have everything up and running, you're going to see that it's really easy to maintain. Okay. So you can actually grow and scale it. Or if you have, a goal in mind, you can actually achieve it. But again, the key here is to watch the entire video, to be consistent with the implementations, and the results are going to come. Okay. So now let me share with you my screen because I have a presentation here and I want to make sure that we're going to be on the same page, not just because of the presentation, because of some steps that you need to follow if you really want to have a high chance to, get results. Remember, at the end of the day, it's going to depend on you if you want to, to be consistent and implement it. Okay. So Lego, I'm pretty sure that everybody knows it by now because it's a really popular brand. Okay. So, you know, I think everybody nowadays who use internet has played with Lego or at least know what it is. There's a lot of topics. By the time we recording this video, here it says that Harry Potter back to Hogwarts. So here we have, we have a Transformer set, um, Slam Dunk, Game Boy. Man, this is actually really cool. Wally. Okay, so literally you can promote one that is related to a TV show, it's related to a movie, it's for everybody. This bricks has been around forever and I cannot deny it. They're really entertaining. Okay. And they do have something that we call the affiliate program. Okay. Um, so here we have like a brief story about how the Lego name came from. It's from the Danish word Leggots. Maybe I mispronounced it, which mean play well. Okay. So literally what you're going to be doing with the affiliate program is that you're going to be promoting Lego products, in exchange of a commission. So that's why it says like with Lego.com affiliate program, you can earn a commission for driving traffic and validated sales through your website to Lego.com. Okay, so they do have an affiliate partner. I'm going to be talking about what's the affiliate partner. You can use banners, text, product links, which is actually super important because we can talk about a specific Lego. And you can use the product link and you're going to have way more chances to get the commission rather if that you go broad. So for example, I can talk about the one that says that the, you know, the Back to Hogwarts Harry Potter collection. So I can actually check the collection. I can talk about one specific set. And, if people get interested and my link guide them to that specific set, I'm going to have way more chances to earn the commission rather than I send them here to the homepage. Okay. So take that into consideration. That's the one that says product link. Okay. So they says that they will give you everything, all the toolkits so you can start earning commissions. Okay. So how often do they pay? Well, once they process the transaction report at the end of every month, we ensure the full transparency, prompt affiliate payment process. Okay. The affiliate network is the one to take care of everything, of the tracking, of the links, and of the paying of the commission. Okay. So here they have, the reasons why you actually can join Lego. The requirements are super simple. You must be at least 18 years old or order to join the affiliate program. You're going to click here to sign up, and you're going to land here on Rakuten Advertising, which is the affiliate network. So it's going to ask you for your email, first name, last name, password, and here register. That's it. Okay. So you're going to be part of the Lego affiliate program. Super simple to join. So now I'm going to show you, how you can actually start promoting this so you can have great chances, to go with this. Okay. Something that you need to take into consideration is that Lego, it's a physical product. So the commissions are not super high. So that's one of the reasons why I prefer to go with digital products. Okay. For example, in physical products, you can usually find like up to 5% is the commission. So for every 100, you're going to be earning $5. Sometimes they give you 10%. And I understand there is a lot of charges involved, manufacturing, shipping, handling, and all the stuff. So I understand that. But if you go with digital products, you can get like 50% commission, 80% commission, sometimes even more. Okay. So that's the reason why I decided I prefer to go with digital product. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you want to know what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So now let me share with you, my, how do I say this? My analysis, like if I'm gonna promote this program. Okay. So first of all, I go to ChatGPT. I'm pretty sure that you already have ChatGPT. And this is something that I do, I will say nowadays, maybe 90% of the time. I'm looking to promote something. I ask ChatGPT. In this case, like, do you know anything about the Lego program? So far, most of the information is here because they are updating, their users, loading information to ChatGPT. I'm not 100% sure how ChatGPT works or if it's go to do the research online or how it actually works nowadays. But the thing is that we have the information here. So if ChatGPT tell me yes, like in this case, I go ahead. If not, you will need to load the information. So I'm not going to be covering that topic here. I'm going to go with the information that we have. So here it says, absolutely, here's what I found about the official Lego affiliate program. It's actually told me what I already told you. It's telling me here all the sources with different pages. Okay, it's telling me the commission rate. It's approximately 3% per sale. Some regional or niche sources mentioned rank from 3 to 7%. I will go with 3% because it's mentioned here. The cookie is the duration. It's 7 days. Sometimes in special cases, it's 30 days. Okay. So how do people get paid? Well, the minimum is $50 monthly payment. It's via PayPal, ACH, or check, usually net 30. Okay, so that means that after 30 days, you're going to get paid. I can tell you that's actually pretty standard. And the $50, it's also pretty standard. Okay, and what I told you before, like everybody can apply and you must need to be at least 18 years old. So here it's like highlights and all this stuff. So blah, blah, blah. So now I told them like, hey, you're great. Okay. Now that I have the information, give me ideas of lead magnets. What is a lead magnet? It's something that we're going to be giving away for free. So we are going to be collecting people's name and email address in exchange of that information. In this case, it's going to be uh, something valuable for Lego fans. So here it tells me like, rate question, blah, blah, blah. Here it says like lead magnets idea for Lego fans. For example, adult collectors and adult fans. Okay, I have here, for example, the ultimate Lego collectors checklist. Okay, it can be a PDF, super simple. Include categories like Star Wars, Harry Potter, blah, blah, blah. Okay, the 2025 Lego release calendar. That's something that I can do. The top 50 most valuable Lego sets ever sold. Lego investment guide. Okay. Here, for example, I have for builders and creative fans, like 10 exclusive Lego MOC instructions, which is my own creations. Printable Lego building challenge. I can go with bricks organizers or guide, custom Lego, blah, blah, blah. Here for kits. Okay. And all the stuff. So I can actually choose one. It's actually going to depend on you. What's the route that you want to go? Okay. And you can ask ChatGPT like, hey, this is the one I want to create, and ChatGPT is going to help you create it. Okay. Once you have it created, literally you're going to go to canva.com. You're going to find an ebook template, and you are actually put the information there. It can be something as simple as a checklist. It can be something more elaborated. If you don't like this idea for whatever reason, you can tell ChatGPT like, hey, I'm looking for something simple. Okay. 3, 5 pages. That's it. Maximum 10 pages. Okay, you can actually go that route. So the reason why we are actually doing this is because we want to have a system that is going to be working for us 24/7. What most people do is that they send eyeballs. Okay, they they send eyeballs. They're supposed to be eyes. Okay, this guy's kind of mad. I don't know why, but okay, leave it like that. Okay, we're sending. Most people are sending eyeballs to this case, it's going to be your Lego link. If they make a sale, they're happy. If they don't make a sale, they're super sad. The thing here is that this is what I call the hit and miss strategy, because most people, think about yourself. You are not with your wallet right away, like, hey, I'm going to purchase everything that shows up, even if you're interested. Okay, there is a lot of reason, there's a lot of possibilities. Maybe you don't have the money available. Maybe, you want to pay after, the your credit card deadline this month because you want to pay it, like, with all the benefits and all the stuff. Things happen. You got distracted and all the stuff. So I don't go to that route. What I do is I create a two pay simple system. Okay. What happened here? Okay. I go with two pay simple system, which I'm asking people their name, their email address. I told them here, like, hey, on your email, I'm going to be sending you the information. And then I have a link here, and I'm going to send them to Lego. Okay. Okay. The benefit of this is that you are creating the most valuable asset online, which is your email list. Okay. From people who might be interested and purchase other things. Okay. Remember, Lego in this case, they do have a tons of products, and they're always releasing new Legos. So I can talk about this here. If they make a purchase, excellent. If they don't, I really don't mind, because I can start talking about other products. Okay. For example, if there is a flash sale, if there is a special because of holidays, if there is, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, I can actually send that information to my email list. Okay. So that's actually really, really, really cool. And this is how people are actually earning money while they sleep. How do you actually gonna build this? Okay. There is a tool that I use. You can start with a free account. I'm going to be leaving a link below, which is System.io. System.io is an all-in-one marketing tool. So literally, you're going to have all the tools that you need. As you can see, you're going to have a forever free plan. There is no credit card required, and you can create your account. Okay, this is my System.io account. As you can see, I really use it. I have over 50 funnels. Of course, with the Flip fans, there are some limitations, but what I'm going to show you here, you can actually do it with your free account. Okay, once you open it, your account is going to be looking something similar to this one. You're going to go to sites, then you're going to go here where it says sales funnels. Then you're going to click here where it says create. You're going to put here a name. This is just for internal use. You can put here Lego, sorry. You're going to choose a domain. Okay, I have my domain, two domains here and subdomain. Diana, can I avoid the fact of purchasing a domain? Yeah, you can, but do you prefer to go to lego.com or something like blah, 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 dot, blah, 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 dot, I don't know what? Okay, I think you already got the idea. Now, you're going to go here where it says build an audience, and then you're going to click here where it says save. Then you're going to click here on the name, and you're going to notice that we have the two pages that I already mentioned. Okay, these are actually the two pages. Okay, it's taking some time to load. Anyways, one cool thing that I like about System IO is that it gives me everything. So I don't need to have an external tool in order to build the pages, in order to do the emojis. And it's literally drag and drop. Okay. The only thing is that you're going to choose the design you want. If there's some element that you want to replace, it's super easy, super simple, drag and drop, super friendly. If there's something that you want to delete, you can do it as well. Now, how you can actually promote this, this is going to be just one strategy. There are plenty of strategies, but for example, you can go and you can create a TikTok account. And the cool thing about creating this kind of account is that you can create short form content and you don't even need to show your face. Okay. As you can see, this account, this person is all day long talking about Lego cities. Okay. This is their thing. Okay, it's all day long talking about Lego cities. He or she is not showing their face. And here you're going to put your link, which in this case is going to be the link of your system that you actually create with System.io. So this is how you can actually drive a lot of eyeballs, you know, from people who are actually interested in purchasing a Lego. And thanks for the system that you're going to have in place. You are not going to promote just um, one Lego product, but you can promote multiple products and you're going to have a system that is going to be working for you 24/7. So if you want to learn more about this in detail, um, check the very first link in the description. So you're going to have all the information. If you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, share it with someone you think he or she might be interested in this kind of topic. And I see you guys on the next video.